Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to solve the problem of entered number auto-change to decimal in Microsoft Excel. This issue can bother you any point of time while learning Excel. Here in this sheet, let me put a number. Let's say 67. When I press enter, it changes to 0.67. If I put here 230, it changes to 2.3. This is happening here, due to change in the setting of Excel. To solve this, click on the File tab. Then click on More. Then Options. Click on Advanced. Here, you see this option, Automatically Insert Decimal Point, is selected. Deselect this. Or you can replace this 2 by 02. Now click on OK. Now problem is solved. If you enter numbers, it does not change to decimal. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing this channel to learn more in Excel. See you in next tutorial.